at least kahit pa paano, secure yung motor natin. So sa mga ano natin dyan, mga paps natin dyan, so unahin natin to yung security bago yung mga ibang accessories. Kung gusto niyo magpa-install, PM nyo lang si Paps Enroll Chris ba yun? Yun. Ayos, maganda, walang no cutting wire, wala, malinis sa pagkalagay niya. Wala, there's nothing to worry mga Paps. Okay, maganda yung pagkaano.
Take me to the place I used to run. Remember the house where I was born. But baby, you don't know me. But baby, you don't know. I'll show you all the stuff.